In Washington, D.C., where homes often balance historic charm with modern living needs, making the most of interior space is essential. Whether in a classic row house or a contemporary residence, homeowners are always looking for ways to create a more open, functional, and inviting environment. One feature that offers both style and practicality is the bow window. With its curved design and multi-panel structure, a bow window can significantly enhance interior space while improving comfort and visual appeal. One of the most noticeable ways bow windows enhance interior space is by extending the room outward. Unlike flat windows, bow windows project beyond the exterior wall, creating additional square footage inside. This subtle extension can make a room feel larger without requiring a full renovation. In Washington, D.C. homes, where space can be limited, this added area is especially valuable. This extra space can be used in a variety of ways. Many homeowners transform the bow window area into a cozy seating nook. Adding cushions or a built-in bench creates a comfortable spot for reading, relaxing, or enjoying the view. In living rooms, this feature can become a focal point that adds both function and charm. In dining areas, it can provide additional seating while enhancing the overall layout. Another benefit is the way bow windows increase natural light from multiple angles. Because they are made up of several panels arranged in a curve, they allow sunlight to enter from different directions throughout the day. This creates a brighter and more open atmosphere, making rooms feel more spacious and inviting. In Washington, D.C., where natural light can vary depending on building placement, this feature helps maximize available daylight. The added light also enhances the perception of space. Bright rooms tend to feel larger and less confined, which is particularly beneficial in urban homes. Bow windows help eliminate dark corners and create a more balanced distribution of light, improving both comfort and visual appeal. Another way bow windows enhance interior space is by providing panoramic views. Instead of a single flat view, the curved design offers a wider perspective of the outdoors. Whether overlooking a city street, garden, or nearby park, this expanded view creates a stronger connection to the surrounding environment. This visual openness contributes to a more spacious and relaxing indoor experience. Bow windows also support flexible interior design options. The additional space they create can be styled to match the homeowner's needs and preferences. Some choose to add decorative elements such as plants, shelves, or accent lighting, while others use the space for practical purposes like storage. This versatility allows homeowners to make the most of every inch of their living area. In Washington, D.C. homes, where architectural details matter, bow windows add a distinctive design element that enhances both interior and exterior aesthetics. Their curved shape softens the lines of a room and adds depth, creating a more dynamic and visually interesting space. This unique design can elevate the overall look of the home while maintaining a sense of elegance. Energy efficiency is another consideration. Modern bow windows are designed with insulated glass and durable frames that help maintain indoor temperatures. Despite their large size, they can contribute to energy savings when properly installed. This ensures that homeowners can enjoy the benefits of added space and light without compromising comfort. Proper placement is key to maximizing the benefits of bow windows. Installing them in areas such as living rooms, dining spaces, or bedrooms allows homeowners to take full advantage of the added space and light. Professional installation ensures that the window is securely supported and properly sealed, which is essential for long-term performance. Maintenance is relatively simple, especially with modern materials like vinyl or fiberglass. Regular cleaning and occasional inspections help keep the window in excellent condition, ensuring that it continues to enhance the space for years to come. In conclusion, bow windows are an excellent way to enhance interior space in Washington, D.C. living areas. By extending the room outward, increasing natural light, and providing flexible design options, they create a more open and functional environment. With their combination of beauty and practicality, bow windows offer a smart and stylish solution for homeowners looking to maximize their living space.